All right, so today we're checking out the base model iPhone 17 in the lavender color. I picked this up for my wife. We just unboxed and did our first impressions of the Air and the Pro. You can check those out on the channel. Make sure you're subscribed to see those, as well as we're going to be doing full reviews of all of these products next week, so be subscribed for that. So I personally think this is the best value of phone this year, and there's a lot of reasons why. We're not gonna get into that today. That'll be in the future video, but these are great phones, and they're the cheapest version of this year's model. I think the iPhone 16e is a great phone, just as a side note, but let's get, hands-on first impressions. Wow, that purple is kind of gorgeous. My wife is really gonna love that. My daughter will too. She's 5, she's not getting a phone, but she's gonna love this color. And wow, that aluminum looks good too. Now that's a good two-tone, and I like this kind of two-tone purple glass situation. That glass almost matches like the Apple logo glass. So it's a great phone, great weight to it. I think this is one of the best designed phones. I think the 16e is probably the best back design of a phone, just because there's a single camera. I think when you start to pull in a ton of different cameras, like on the Pro here, I don't know, it looks a little jumbled and messy. If you care about looks, which we do on this channel, that's just the thing. And I think this sort of stoplight look here looks great. So let's go ahead and pull off the stickiness here in the box. You get this, as well as some paperwork. Go ahead and get it booted up. And while that's doing its thing, that feels really nice. I did get a clear case for my wife as well, so we can check that out. I'm also interested to see, now that we have the phones in hand, will the battery pack for the Air work here? Like, will it actually charge? Like, obviously it's not gonna sit where it needs to, but maybe there's enough overlap there. I don't know, we'll have to see. It's definitely something I want to test. Wow, these bezels are very thin actually, which is nice. I feel like that's an improvement over last year. Man, just a beautiful color. And like I said, I think this is the best value this year. I think the Pro is just so much going on, and the average consumer doesn't, well, we'll get into all that in our full review, but this is the best value in my opinion. There's a little sneak peek for you. A question that I had, let's get the case on here. Someone pointed out in a comment in my unboxing of this case, there's not a cutout for the flash. So it's just gonna shine through the phone, which is definitely interesting. I don't think I'm able to, no, I'd have to come in here and get it all set up, which we will do. Again, full review coming soon. I really like that look. My wife is gonna love it as well. But I wonder if this flash is gonna be good. I'm assuming it will be. It's shining through like clear plastic, but like, will it light up the whole phone? Will it kind of be like a glow stick almost? Like, there could be some positives there, which is interesting. But yeah, this is cool, and I would love to see like the white one and the black one and all the other colors too. The jade green looks really, really nice. I've been seeing other reviewers talking about that one, which is super cool. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for the base model iPhone. We have uneven grills here, USB-C charging. You do get camera control again. Yeah, I don't know. That's just a really nice look. So that's gonna do it for this video. Again, if you want to check out our unboxing of the Air and the Pro, we'll have those on the channel as well, so subscribe for that. And again, next week I'm going to be reviewing all phones individually as well. So if you want to check that out, you can. I'm going to be using these phones, testing them out. Nothing crazy. On this channel we talk about form and function. We like products that marry form and function. So products that improve our lives and look good while doing so. So the experience of using a product is just as important to me as the specs inside, if not more important. I don't care a lot for specs. So again, that's why I think this might be the best bang for buck this year, personally, if you're thinking about buying a new iPhone. But that's gonna do it for the unboxing here. Watch the other 2 unboxings, and I'm also gonna be doing a video here in just a second with all 3 models, just kind of comparing the looks and first impressions there. So thanks so much for watching. Like this video for more. Watch this video next. I think you're gonna love it, and we'll see you all in the next one.